If you're here, you likely have the need for Samsung file transfer, and this video aims to guide you through the 6 workable methods. Way 1. Transfer Samsung files to PC via Assistant for Android. Mobikin Assistant for Android is a sophisticated software designed to facilitate the seamless transfer of files between Samsung devices and PCs. With this program, you can effortlessly transfer files from a Samsung Galaxy to a computer. How to transfer files from Samsung to PC via Mobikin Assistant for Android. Step 1. Connect your Samsung device to your computer. Step 2. Preview and select the files you want. Step 3. Share Samsung files to PC. For quick and complete Samsung data transfer, use the Super Toolkit option on the top screen. When your phone is identified by this tool, click Backup, select the desired file types, and hit Backup to transfer the chosen data in bulk instantly. Way 2. Get Samsung file transfer to PC by drag and drop media only. Connect your Samsung phone to your computer via USB, unlock your phone, drag down the notifications panel, and select Media Device MeTP. On your computer, open My Computer or use Windows+E. Locate your Samsung phone under Portable Devices. Access the desired files, like photos, in the DSIM folder, and copy them to your PC. Create a new folder or use an existing one on your PC to save the transferred files. Way 3. Have Samsung Galaxy copy files to PC with Smart Switch. Install Smart Switch on your PC. Connect your phone via USB. Open the app. Choose Backup on the PC. Select File Types. Click OK. Wait for backup completion. Click OK when finished. Way 4. Connect Samsung phone to PC for file transfer via Link to Windows. Set up Link to Windows on your Samsung device. Open Link to Windows on your phone. Connect your Samsung phone to your phone app on PC. Choose and transfer files from Photos or Files. Confirm success in the PC folder. Way 5. Transfer files from Samsung to PC by Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on phone and PC. Pair by verifying the pin. In My Files, select Files, tap Share, choose Bluetooth, pick PC from available devices. On PC, click Send or receive files via Bluetooth, accept to save transferred files. Way 6. Transfer files from Samsung Galaxy to PC using AirDroid. Install AirDroid on your Samsung. Launch for web address and QR code. Open WebAirdroid.com on PC. Scan QR code with AirDroid. Connect your phone and PC. Select and transfer files. Click Download for the transfer.